The most value for money light from Zana Auxiliary, the ZFL 35. A combined power of 70 watts and a stone throw distance, as you can see right now. Look at the illumination, the beam, the spot, the flood, everything. This is a yellow flood, and just see the difference that the light makes. And also the fact that a lot of height is illuminated as well. And mind you, we are still in the high beam of the standard motorcycle light as well. This is the high beam in white. This is the low beam in yellow. Just the high beam in white. And now the high beam in white and the low beam in white and yellow. All the strobe functions as well.